I got this Disney clock for $200, and I have to say, I'm seriously disappointed. What I thought were going to be weight risers for a mechanical gear and cog system inside the unit turned out to be just hooked onto the ceramic with no vertical motion able. This pendulum is made of cheap, ugly plastic, and I had to assemble it myself, and it kept falling off, and I had to unhat latch a lever arm. I had to unlatch it right about here, pop it out, and then hook the pendulum onto it, and that wasn't even in the instructions for the machine. I thought it said it would move and there would be lights and sound. I thought these Mickeys on the rim would rotate around like this, rotate like that with a motor or something, but they're just static. None of them talk, they don't move, they don't say anything. They don't act in any way whatsoever. And the only time this clock rings is on the hour. So, there's two buttons for the volume. One is like an on off, and then this is also an on off. So there's like double ons to get the volume out. There's a dial, a switch dial, and a really cheesy pop button that feels like a broken flashlight hitch. Maybe that's for the lights. But the only lights it has are this door opens up. No surprise, I can't open it up on my own. And it looks like someone has tried to open it up before I got to it, indicating that it may have been a used object. It came inside this styrofoam container. As you can see, there's the shape of the clock. And the only covering was like a cardboard, sort of like this material here, surrounding it. So there was no glamorous, beautiful box storing it that I could look at. So I'm thinking for $200, this is a knockoff when I can get a PlayStation with 30 games for $30. Compared to this, that's a lot better buy for your buck for animation. Granted, it's not Mickey Mouse, it's not safe, it's not kid friendly, but the PlayStation 2 is a way better animation deal for maybe people who aren't afraid of getting into some explosions and stuff and becoming an action hero videographer or whatever. Because they've got if you want to be an action hero, which one of these would that be? The fireman, yeah, he's doing brave action hero stuff that you could do in video games. The wizard, most definitely fighting demons out there, and the night on Bald Mountain like Fantasia. Dutch guy, if he would tie this rope instead of just being stuck here to the top, if there were a little pulley and he was on a track and the pulley would go back and forth and he would waltz back and forth up and down the roof, that would be awesome. There's so much potential for this clock and it's all wasted.